Oh, hey guys, it's been a while, huh? You know, kind of running out of ideas over here. You know, we already did chicken, we already did donuts, we already did breakfast. I mean, we already did drinks. What else is there to do? I don't know. Wait a minute. This, right here, chat. I've heard. There's one more idea. I've got one more idea. Let's go, chat. We gotta do this. Oh, hey. I've been waiting for you, chat. We're in for a very nice evening tonight. Very nice. We've got a lot planned tonight. We're gonna make some steak. We're gonna make some asparagus. And we're gonna make some mac and cheese. Are you down? Because here we go, chat. Cut to the bus and their car, and they're like colliding, and then they're like, bam! You know what I'm saying, chat? Fire! What's up, gang? We're out here. We're back at it with another Mordon Gamsay. You know what we're cooking? We're cooking gamers. So back behind the camera, we're actually gonna take them out and we're gonna cook them. It's been a while. How you been, chat? I do not care. Just kidding. Hope you're doing lovely, by the way. We've got a little ditty over here for you today. We've got the apron of the wizards. We're doing a little throwback. I couldn't find the frick hoodie. I know, please forgive me over here. But it's okay, when you see what we're cooking. Ooh, so I don't really know what we're doing today, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna do this all together, chat. We went to the store. As you can see, we're not in a normal place over here. Not at all. Let's get some lighting going. How about that, chat? We got some steak. We got some asparagus. Some mac and cheese. Oh yeah. Let's get into it. Getting out comfortable over here. Turn around. This is gonna be brutal. I see you looking at. What's up, gamers? We've got all of our ingredients over here. So basically what we're going to be making today, I've already said it like 10 times. You already know what the deal is. But first, do not forget. Because if you don't, you're gonna die. We're gonna take a little soap. We're gonna take a little soap. Healthy helping of soap over here. We're gonna turn on this sink over here. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna wash the hands. We're gonna dry them off. Just like so. Check this out. Look at this little trash can. Boop. No hands. Fire! Okay. What's up, gamers? So, I watched a YouTube tutorial today and he told me how to cook steak, so we're gonna figure this out. We gotta take some of this guy. I don't know what kind of oil this is. Do not try this at home. We're gonna pour it around in. So we need like a healthy helping of oil. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on. So we got like, oh, I see. Wait, what? Oh, it's got 2 on there. Okay, I see. That's the big guy. We got the big guy. You know, I probably should have planned this out. I don't know when I'm gonna do what. We're just gonna go with it. Okay? It's cooked. Oh, shoot.
Are you supposed to do it on high?
I don't know.
You watched the video on it.
I watched like 2 seconds of the video, chat. Gamers. We know what we're doing here. You know why? Because we're epic. So what we're gonna do is it's like exploding right now. So I'm pretty sure if you want to cook a steak, you just kind of take it out of the plastic bag. Oh my gosh. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open this lid. We don't want to burn nothing, so we gonna plop this baby in. See me? Woo! I don't like this at all. Chat, that is not good, chat. We're good. We just need a utensil right now. Okay, so it said flip it every like 30 seconds. That was like 30, probably. Oh my God. We had some technical difficulties, gamers. Hey, if you're not making a mess in the kitchen, what is it? Yo, run it back, gamer. Oh, it's getting messy.
That means you're doing it right.
Okay, I'm gonna flip this baby right now. You know, very aggressive cooking style is what I like to do, apparently. Okay, we've already got some browning. That's not good, Chad. It means we're making progress. We don't want to make progress right now. I was not ready for that. Right now, we are opening the seasonings because that is what we need to do. And I did not do that before, so here we are doing the seasonings right now. I don't think the entire time will be like this. Oh, we gotta put the asparagus in. Dang it. I mean, everything's going fine.
And make mac and cheese.
We're fine. Here's a little fun fact, guys. If you snort straight garlic powder, you're in for a good time. All right, now we got this guy going. Now what I'm gonna do, quick fast. We're gonna take some water. Now what we're gonna do, is we're gonna start burning. We're gonna start burning. We're gonna put it out high. We like to do that around here. We're popping. We like to be popping, but we don't like to be popping. Do you understand what I'm saying? Oh, we're gonna flip. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do a little flip. Flip ski. Okay. All over my entire arm. Literally all over my entire arm.
You should use tongs.
That is what they did in the video. Yes, they did. So now we got a little flavor going. We've got the water boiling. Let's put some little seasonings in this guy. So what we got here is a little bit of garlic powder. We don't really have measurements. When you cook steak, you just kind of eyeball it. We got a little bit of paprika. Look at that guy. And salt and pepper. Because we're basic. So right now, we're on no heat. We don't want to go crazy. We don't want to die. Already ruined my hand. That's hot. Don't do that. Here we go. Oh my. It's gonna taste a little garlicky. A little pep in Eureka, gang. We're gonna put a light salt. I've got a bad track history with that stuff. Anyways, we're gonna take a little gustimate and we're just gonna, I think we're gonna turn it on low. And we're gonna do a little flip scheme. Are you ready, gang? Flip scheme. Wasn't that wonderful? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our asparagus. Don't know if this is how you can cook it. We do not care. Okay, chat, we're just gonna throw them in there. Check it out, boom. Should have washed them. Those are going to the trash. Don't worry about it. We're actually gonna take these guys. You know, we're rest in peace. Let's get a rest in peace over here to asparagus. Rest in peace. This steak is looking pretty good. It looks like every single one of the seasonings has flopped off completely. That's cool. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of pepper. No more salt. If you know, you know. We're gonna take like, what is this, like a couple of these guys? What is this, like a couple of these guys? A couple of these guys. Was it like a couple of these guys? Oh yeah. We're gonna rinse them off. Did you know? After eating asparagus, your pee will smell bad. That is a fact. By the way, gang, there is no recipe. There is no recipe. This is the first Gamer Cooks where there is just no recipe. We're just on the fly right now. We wanna make some steak. I wanted to make some steak. We're making some steak. Mac and cheese, no recipe. On the fly. So I saw this dude in this video one time and he was all like putting the veggies in with the guys. So, let's good. Wow, there's not a lot of room in here, but throw one in there, two in there. Oh, another one in here. You never guess what I'm about to do, Jay. You never guess that. Oh yeah, I'll put another one in there, gang. We're gonna put all these, that guy's not even touching. Okay, you know what? Take this guy. You suck, guy. We're gonna use this as spare guy. Push the other guy. See what I did there? What a day, huh? I woke up this morning. Today on this morning that I woke up this morning today. I've just realized we don't have a thermometer. You know we like thermometers around here.
Yeah, look at the thermometer.
The COVID.
See, you have COVID-19.
Like yo, like some elevator music, dog. Like, look at how good. Let's take a second to appreciate how absolutely delicious this looks right now. Would I eat it? Absolutely not, because it's not cooked yet. If you said yes, you would eat it. Stop watching this video. I'm just kidding, gang. Actually, if you want to smash like on this video right now, gang, subscribe to Mordon Gamsay for more epic cooking content like this. We do this all the time. We're very good at cooking. We know what we're doing around here. Mac and cheese time! Macaroni cam! Oh yeah. You know, sometimes when you're out there living your life, you forget. Sometimes, you know, Chet, that life isn't always about cooking the food. Sometimes it's about who you're cooking the food for. It's about the people, Chet. Oh, we're getting some juices on this baby. Ooh. We got a tender steak. Ladies and gents, I think we're getting pretty close. Okay. This guy, he's looking pretty good. Not the spare guy, though. See what I did there? How to know when asparagus is done. Tender crisp, bright and green, easily porked. Might offer a snap, but not be mushy. Oh. Can't all be winners, okay? This burner low-key sucks. I'm not going to lie. Pretty sure the cooking time on this thing is 14 minutes, so after that's done, we're gonna give it an additional 2 minutes. This burner's booty. No offense to nobody, of course. No offense to nobody, of course. Yo, these paper towels can split in 4 ways? Yo, dude, this is hype. Oh wait, yeah, we're making steak right now. Look at these. Anyways, yeah, we're making steak. They're fire. Okay. Ladies, calm down. That's right, I know how to cook around here. Have you been watching? I know exactly what I'm doing. We on the edge. That was horrendous timing. I was in the middle of my song. Anytime Siri does anything, she literally sucks, bro. Hey Siri, do this. Okay. Here's a recipe for tortillas. What are you talking about? When did I ever say tortillas? Like, come on, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness the greatest strainer of all time. Hold your applause till the end, please. Hold your applause. I said hold your applause. Calm it down, guy. Calm it down, guy. That guy in the back, you're a little too excited there, buddy. We don't have a strainer, but we do have a plate. You know what we know how to do with a plate, you know what I'm saying? Oh my. We lost a couple soldiers on that one. It happens. Some of you may die. That is a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Gamers of the epic variety, you might think, no, this can't be. He can't outdo what he just did with the plate. As I said, hold your applause. Wow, these are some rusty, dusty, crusty scissors. It's all right. Wow, these got about an inch gap, gang. All right, it's fine out here. How does it work? Okay, barely. That's right. Okay, nope, that's, Whoa there, Mr. Gamer, Mordon Gamsay, Epic Cook. What are you doing there? You about to find out. Top. But magic, check it out. We're gonna take this. Boom. Boom. That's right. Oh, we're cutting through nice. Oh, look at that. Chat, I think we did good here. This thing is cutting real nice. Look at that, guys. I'm not a pink guy, but you know, that looks awesome to me. I think we did a great job. I'm impressed. Are you impressed? You should be. Very nice, very nice. Now, with all of it done, you know what time it is. Messed up the asparagus. Messed it all. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Guess what just happened? Santa Claus left us a little present. That's right. You know what he left us right on the tree? Merry Christmas, y'all. Cider. Look at what we have here. Doesn't this look like a 5-star meal? Let's give her a little taste. We're gonna start with the asparagus. Let's give it a little taste. Wow. It's so good. Okay, I'm lying, chat. It's literally cold. Wow. Chat, I'm gonna try one more because I think we got something special here. Chat, I think we have the worst item I have ever cooked in Gamer Cooks history right here. I give this 4 out of 10 on the ticket scale. It will be higher, but it's cold. It tastes good, it's just, it's been sitting out too long. That's my bad, I messed up. There we go. Great value Walmart brand mac and cheese. 10 out of 10 on the chicken scale. All right, now for the star of the show. Which I've been waiting for. Let's get a good cut going. Ooh, look at how that cut. Here we go, gang. Okay. This steak has retained 0 of the flavorings that we put on there. That's cool. We're gonna do a little cheat code. Ladies and gentlemen, we have never done this before. I'm adding seasonings. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be a crazy game. Garlic, don't worry about it. Salt, no. Pepper. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo! That is a 10 out of 10 on the beef scale. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This steak is so good, it got its own scale. Now, thanks to Santa Claus. Oh, that's good. So if you want a meal fit for a 5-star restaurant, here you go.